We are all going to die, today or tomorrow. We are all going to enter the tunnel. We are all going to be received by two masters. So, what is death? Death is transition. From this state you go to another state. There is no tragedy there. Don't ever see death as tragedy. So that is what is spirituality. When you see death as tragedy, then that is not spirituality, that is materialism. That is atheism. But when you see death as transition, then that is spirituality.
Hi Masters, Patriji Vegetarian ಚಾನಲ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಬೆಲ್ ಬಟನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.